I gotta head to the store and UPS drop off and return the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And the reason behind it is I got two issues with the camera that I didn't have with the first one. It's a flaw. I'm not about to reload firmware to see if it corrects it. I do like the camera, I really do. I am exchanging it. I have to send it back to get a new one. And then the new one will come when they receive it. I got time to wait. I like the Action 5 Pro. I hear the camera's audio a lot louder than the Insta360. But I feel the vibration in the Insta360 than the Action 5 Pro. But the vibration I feel faintly on the handlebars right now. The DJI voice command is better than the Insta360. I don't have to yell. I say it once and it records it. After I head into the store, I'm heading to the park to get the trail cam off the tree. Let's go into Staples. I bring the scooter in all the way. That's a good thing about here. And yeah, look at that line out the door. I didn't have to wait on. So let me get on going. Let me cross the street, go down my favorite block. Yeah, I'm walking. Obstacle courses. As we mosey along, I got a distance to go. I got enough power to get where I need to be at. And I need to work on my solar system, run a lead, XT90s, I believe, put one outside, put it to a DIN connector, and off I go. So yeah, and when I get that done correctly, then I'm able to charge my power station and then charge the scooter and charge different things when need to be during the day. Certain times of the days, you gotta watch out for all this. Let's get on going, see if we could get by and be allowed and all. I nod my head nicely to the cars and people that allow me to go by who I am. There is a sweet spot on the fifth wheel, and that is 14 miles per hour for me. I'm happy with the scooter. I don't love it and I don't hate it. I just don't like flat free wheels. They're kind of hard for the ride. Yeah, it is what it is, man. I did this before with the Ace Pro 2. I'm trying to get off of the throttle and kind of stuck on it. Let's get off road to where I need to be at. So here we go. Well, I don't want to go in the mud, but let me see what I can do to get by this. Hey, stop. Let's go down to the next one. That's got mud and water there. This is what we got to do in this cement city, because cars get in here. Even this one's got water. Oh, man. What do? I go down to the next one. Oh, man. All right, this one looks like it's good to go through. See if I can make it in without getting off. Here we go. Now going on grass eats up power because you're dragging, you're trying to gain the speed. I'm only going 18 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour, and I'm not moseying along at all. Eventually I'll pick up speed. I'm bending my knees because I don't want to get the bumps in it. I got dual shock absorber system. We're finally picking up speed. All right, let's get to where we need to be at. You can see there is a bike line I'm following. And I'm on cruise control. So I'm looking. I don't know where I put my camera. So I'm gonna take you off and we'll go walk out and see if we could go find it. I know it's straight out in here somewhere. All right, I see some squirrel action. That's good. I'm looking for the camera. And I'm just gonna let the squirrels play out. It should be right up ahead. I just don't see it. All right, time to go get the camera. It was supposed to be real bad yesterday in rain. Never happened. So let me walk in, not get scraped up in the face. I see the camera. I'm right at it, man. So let me turn you around so you can see where the camera's at. It's up there nice and high. Problem is, maybe the tree's in the way. So I need to now do a short take. So I'll be right back. I apologize. I was on ultra wide and rock steady. Now I'm on rock steady plus. Well, I gotta reset my scooter, turn it on and put it on 19. Let's get on going. Get on out of here. Oh man. I gotta go all the way back in time. So let me turn you that way. Let's get on the rocky road. We got some birds up ahead. Starlings they are. Let's go right towards them. Let's follow them. Woohoo! Oh, they're leading me out of the park. I'm not going to scare them, but most of them flew onto the pole. All right, let's get on out of here. Try to avoid the puddle. I almost had to get off. All right, so now we're moving. Maybe my wheels will get clean as I go. The wind is kicking, and I'm gonna kick it in gear. I'm down to 2 bars. Gotta go recharge, but I'll charge it when it cools down after. I don't need Rocksteady Plus. I just need Rocksteady. Rocksteady! Like a song that somebody would sing. Woo! Oh man, I'm gonna go hibernate. The wind is kicking. Do I gotta yell to the camera if the wind is kicking? Let's stop. I got a puddle to clean my wheels. As I clean my wheels back and forth. One more time. Off I go. I can make the light now. Oh, fish, I didn't say panic stop. Well, that's it for me today. I did a nice long vlog. I did a nice story. I got everything told to you. And it's time for me just to go and get warm. Oh man, you think it's cold now? It's gonna get cold later. Woo! Boy, that wind is kicking and chilling. Let's go chill, do some editing. Have a great day, everybody.